Black Luxe Discovery Kit. All this, I'm gonna go one by one. What is the Black Luxe? I'm into black lately. I don't know what it is. The black gloves, the black bottles, the black, it's all our colors. Black and white, silver, gold. This is the brand colors. Black, white, silver, gold. So this is the Black Luxe Discovery Kit. It's a $360 value. I'm gonna show you what comes with it. So to begin with, this lacquer box, back to this because now we sold out of the other set. Look at that. This is the lacquer box with Kashmiri Spice inside, okay? Now, just remember, this box, okay? This comes out, all right? This comes out, and then you get to keep the box as a keepsake, okay? So this is the lacquer box set in the Discovery Kit. 2, what do we get? Let's talk about the Reed Diffuser. This is the new bottle for the Reed Diffuser. That sexy black with the black label, with the black ribbon, and the Gardenia. For those of you who love the Gardenia, it's the Gardenia. It comes in wrapped like this. I want you guys to see that each one we wrap, hand wrap like a gift. Each one, okay? And then the bottle comes in wrapped like that. Now, Project X has been in the works for so many years. And I think you guys have been watching on Instagram what people are loving on this fragrance. This is a unisex fragrance. Ladies, don't hoard it, okay? Men can wear this as well. For everyone. One behind the ear here, one behind the ear here. It's enough. Believe me, it's enough. This is a $58 fragrance on site. You're also going to get this. All this is in the package, by the way. This candle, all right? What does it say? They will never understand you. That's the most beautiful part. Mystery is the name of the game here. Mystery. I also do have the love candle. There's a reason behind all this. I think you can read between the lines. Back to the Gardenia. For some reason. Oh, Gardenia's back, by the way. Plus, in addition to all this, we are getting 3 of these Mudan Peony tins. Mudan Peony. The Peony, by the way, is a spring fragrance. You know that it's spring is around the corner. So if you want something fresh for the house, listen, at the end of the day, you can buy all this for yourself and give these away. You're still ahead of the game. Everything that you can do, you're still ahead of the game. So you're getting 3 of these. Look at this, mysterious and sexy. Look how beautiful, okay? Look at the artwork on here, all right? So you're gonna get 3 of these. And you're gonna get 1 of our mobile fragrance. And this is just so you can experience the fragrance in your car. I want you to know how beautiful the fragrance is in your car. It's Orange Blossom. Recap, people, recap. All this Black Luxe collection, it's on for $250. It's all together, if you were to buy it separately, it's $350. You get the lacquer box, you get the Reed Diffuser, you get the fragrance. Stunning. Trust me, this is worth the whole thing. This little thing, the juice in here, one day I'm going to explain to you what that juice is all about. The candle, the love candle, and the 3 tins, and here. It's all this in the Luxe collection. There you go. And all this is made with love.